So here the question available is the mileage of a motorbike A and a motorbike B is 42 km per liter and 52 km per liter. Motorbike A covered 294 kilometers and motorbike B covered 208 kilometers. If the cost of liter petrol is 48, how much amount would be spent on petrol to cover the total distance covered by both the motorbikes together? What is the given data? Here two motorbike are given, motorbike A and motorbike B. So mileage of motorbike A, let us denote it as M1, is 42 kilometers per liter, and for motorbike B, let us denote it as M2, is 52 kilometers per liter. And motorbike DA has covered distance of 294 kilometers and B had covered 208 kilometers. Now let us understand the small point of theory. Mileage can be denoted as distance covered per liter of petrol. So this is the concept we are going to use in our further calculation. So we need to find out how much amount would be spent on this petrol considering both the mileage and distance as per given data. What is the total amount of rupees that will be spent on the petrol? Now what is rate of the petrol is 48 rupees per kilo per liter. Now first of all we will to find out what is the total amount of petrol in liter is to be consumed. So amount of petrol will be equal to distance covered by motorbike A divided by mileage of it plus distance covered by B divided by mileage of B, that is M2. We have just transformed these two quantities in each other's place. That is, if we just replace these two quantities, then you will find out this formula, that is liter equal to distance divided by mileage. So rupees that is spent equals to rate multiplied by this quantity, which is nothing but equals to 48 multiplied by 294 divided by 42, that is distance A divided by M1, and 208 divided by what is mileage of B? Mileage of B is 52. Now if we calculate this, then it will be equals to 11 liters, and if we multiply it into 48, then equal to 48 into 11, which is nothing but equal to 5 528 rupees. So our answer is option B, that is 528 rupees.